The wait is finally over. After almost a year of covering iPhone 13 leaks and rumors, the iPhone 13 is just a few hours away. So without any further ado, welcome to the final leaks and rumors on the iPhone 13. Okay, so by far my favorite and also the biggest change coming to the iPhone 13 line is the camera. You see, the iPhone 13 mini and the regular 13 are both said to be still using the same camera sensor as the iPhone 12 and the 11. But the iPhone 13 Pro and the Pro Max are both getting the same brand new sensor. With its new sensor, the iPhone 13 Pro will be able to capture 35% more light than the iPhone 12 Pro, while the 13 Pro Max will be able to capture 11% more light than the 12 Pro Max. Well, even with this larger sensor on the Pro models, the physical size of it would still be smaller than what we have seen on the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra and the Xiaomi 11 Ultra. With the Pro models having the biggest improvement here, the ultra wide angle module is set to be upgraded as well, but only on the Pro models with a wider aperture that can capture 40% more light. And aside from this, we are also set to be getting the portrait mode video, which is just like portrait mode photos. We are also set to be getting Pro RAW video, essentially giving you more flexibility when it comes to editing your videos. The second big change is the display, which, as most of you already know by now, is getting two big upgrades: 120Hz and always on. There is not much to say about the 120Hz aside from it was a long overdue. Now the always on functionality is even more excited for me, as I have been waiting for this on the iPhone since I have first experienced it. Okay, the third big change is when it comes to battery life. With all iPhone 13 models getting a physically larger battery, the 13 mini is getting an 8% improvement than the iPhone 13 and the 13 Pro. As far as the charger is concerned, we are going to see a 25 watt of fast charging up from the current 20 watt charging, and the MagSafe charger is going to be the implementation alongside with the. Next, we are getting some new colors, a matte black and a new orange colors. Likely the matte black is on Pro models and the orange on the non-Pro. Just at the end of this video, with some smaller but definitely some worthy changes that are going to be coming, the 512GB storage option on the Pro models will now be replaced by 1TB, perfect for people who want to shoot lots of video for Pro RAW videos. It is said to be getting not just faster up to 1.8 times, but also able to partially scan your face even if you have a face mask or sunglasses on now. We are also getting Wi-Fi 6C and for better range, and new 5G antenna for faster 5G speeds, and potentially the ability to make SOS calls even when you don't have a cellular signal thanks to satellite communication. And this is honestly such a major new safety feature, as if you get lost in the woods with no signals, you would still be able to get help. But do keep in mind that number one, this is set to be restricted to US only at the launch, and the number two, it might not even be ready for release yet. So guys, there you go. These are all the changes that the iPhone 13s are set to come with. Definitely a new level upgrade, but one of the biggest upgrade that iPhone has ever received overall, and I am quite excited to try out, is the new cameras on the iPhone 13 Pro. So guys, that is it in this particular video. Subscribe if you want to see more iPhone 13 content as soon as it comes out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.